before these attacks, Iran was threatening, of course, to close, as we've been reporting since last week, to close the Strait of Hormuz. About 20% of the world's oil goes through here because it's the only way by sea to get basically from the Persian Gulf out into the ocean. It's also a choke point which Iran can shut off if they choose to. Though in the last 24 hours, we've had a lot more information about just how serious that threat is and what the markets are pricing in. This, of course, all has an effect on the price of oil, which has an effect on all of us. Cameron Bagrie from Bagrie Economics with us this morning. Cameron, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Interesting. The price is actually coming down.
Yeah, it has. So we saw some retaliatory strikes from Iran overnight, and those retaliatory strikes didn't target energy infrastructure. And I guess that was the key concern, was that they go after something that could really hurt the global economy. So for now, things don't look too bad. So markets have eased back in regard to oil prices down, equity prices up, but yeah, tomorrow's going to be another day.
And interesting that they've threatened to do this before. I mean, this is not the first rodeo, or rodeo as Winston would say. Threatened to do this before, nothing came of it. Also, the decision might have been made to close the strait by the Parliament, but it still has to go through the National Security Council of Iran. Lots of workarounds to this as well. So it seems, at least for the time being, that the markets are kind of priced it in, that this is as high as it'll go.
Yeah, we saw, you got to go back about a week and a half ago. We saw the price of oil go from about $66, $70 a barrel. That's West Texas Intermediate. It got up to around 73, 74. You know, so the markets were starting to price in a fair bit of a risk premium in regard to a geopolitical shock. And we obviously saw that shock in the form of, Donald Trump, landed a couple of bombs in Iran, and people are waiting for the retaliation. The retaliation has been of what you call the soft variety. And if it continues to be of the soft variety, the market's going to take a little bit of happiness out of that. So we're seeing that risk premium come back down. But as I said, Ryan, tomorrow's another day.
Appreciate your time this morning. Cameron Bagrie from Bagrie Economics with us, just gone 16 minutes after 7.